beauties, welcome back to my channel, Blush by Malik. I'm Malik Wynn, and today we have a hair tutorial on how I get my hair crimped like this. We are using my old friend from high school. This is a Revlon crimper. I don't know if they make this anymore, but if they do, I will link it below, or I will have some other recommendations for you guys. If you're interested in this makeup tutorial, I will also link that below. If you haven't joined the beauty team yet, hit the subscribe button, and we're about to get right into this video. I'm going to start by brushing out my hair and making sure my part is straight. And then I'm going to section off my hair into 2 sections. Now that our curler is nice and hot, I'm going to start in the back section and take a horizontal piece. And you do that by taking your finger and just sliding it in a straight line across. Open it and slide the crimper as close to the scalp as possible. Even the hair out in between. And hold it between 10 to 20 seconds. Come down and hold again for another 10 to 20 seconds. You don't want to pull down on your curl because this is still cooling down, so you don't want to pull your hair straight at the top. And as you go down, you can kind of use your fingers to mold your hair. So I'm just going to kind of clamp it right here while it cools, so I can kind of save that crimp. Once I'm done with this horizontal piece, I'll throw it to the back and grab another one. I'm going to grab the piece right under that one and do the same thing. I'm just going to continue to do that. Before I move on to this side of the hair, I'm going to hairspray this side. So I do that by holding my hair to the side and working my way down, because I do have longer hair. And I go up and down as well to make sure that I get all the hair. And kind of let that dry. Do the top the same way. I'm going to throw that to the back and let that dry while I work on this side. And I'm just going to do the same thing. Start in the back with a horizontal piece and work my way forward. I also put my head upside down and spray. Don't breathe that in, okay? We are done with our hot tool. Once our hairspray is dry, we can kind of play with our hair a little bit and loosen it up. Okay guys, this is the gel I have used all of my life for my flyaways. I just take a little bit, rub it in between my fingers and lay the flyaways down. You can also kind of run this through your hair if your hair is a little frizzy. And if it's too thick for you, you can mix it with some water. That ends our hair tutorial. I hope you guys liked it and learned something from it. I like to wear my hair like this a lot. And yeah, until next time, my beautiful babies. Mwah.